Real Milk Paint Company's Soft Finishing White Wax Sealant is a high-quality and versatile product specifically designed for painted furniture, cabinets, unfinished wood decor, and various other surfaces. This wax sealant is renowned for its ability to enhance and protect painted finishes, providing a durable and matte white top coat. This is my go-to product for giving furniture a whitewashed look without the hassle of a paint wash. The product is made of beeswax, a natural and sustainable ingredient. The beeswax not only contributes to the product's eco-friendly profile, but it also imparts a soft and velvety texture to the finished surfaces. I like to apply this wax with a round bristle brush, but it can also be applied with a lint-free rag. I apply it generously and then buff it off with a clean rag or an old t-shirt. Application is a straightforward process. The velvet texture of the product allows for precise coverage and ensuring an even distribution over the painted or unpainted surface. This sealant serves as a protective top coat, safeguarding painted furniture and cabinets from daily wear and tear, moisture, and other environmental factors. The beeswax formulation provides a layer of defense, enhancing the longevity of the painted surfaces and maintaining their integrity over time. Whether you're working on repurposing old furniture like me or finishing new pieces, Real Milk Paint Company's Soft Finishing Wax Sealant in white stands out as a reliable choice for achieving a matte white finish, which not only enhances the visual appeal of your projects, but also protects them for the long haul. With its beeswax formulation and ease of application, the commitment to quality, this sealant is a go-to option for me or anyone seeking a top-tier product for their painted furniture and unfinished wood decor projects.